Hello, I'm Christopher C. Odom, site editor for Gold-IRA-Plan.com. Gold-IRA-Plan.com is an informational and educational resource that assists you in your research for the best retirement strategy. I'm not a financial planner, consultant, advisor, or fiduciary. I'm just like you, a regular person who wants to know what the best strategy is to make sure that my children, significant other, family, and myself are all provided for to the best of my ability in the days to come. My grandmother was an amazing retired New York City school teacher who respectfully enjoyed one of those incredible pensions of legend. However, her retirement plan was managed by one of those super mega global corp banks who had all of her money and the rest of the teacher's retirement fund irresponsibly, aggressively invested in risky investments. And regrettably, during the economy collapse of 2008, Grandma lost over half of her monetary wealth. Grandma was one of the lucky ones, though, because she was still able to cover the cost of top-notch assisted living, which eventually became a full-fledged nursing home for Grandma. In Grandma's last days, I wasn't thinking about what I could inherit from Grandma when she passed on. That was her money, and I was just glad that she could live out the rest of her life comfortably with her compassionate, loving family close by. Grandma, on the other hand, was comfortable, rest assured, with both her living arrangement and the fact that she would be leaving something behind for her legacy. She died believing that her family would be provided for. Well, remember Grandma's super mega global corp bank? It took 6 months after Grandma passed away for my immediate family and I to receive Grandma's inheritance. And do you know what we got? We each got a check for approximately $26.11. Yes, that's correct. $26.11. I think we all bought Powerball tickets with it, hoping Grandma could pull some numbers for us up there in the sky. Even though Super Mega Global Corp Bank had blown all of Grandma's life hard-earned retirement money on risky investments, the Super Mega Global Corp Bank executives got a bailout and a bonus. But the four of us, well, we each got a check for $26.11 and some Powerball tickets. What kind of company would let Grandma die, believing her financial legacy was still intact? What kind of company would mislead a sweet senior citizen and leave behind zip for her financial legacy? Well, Gold-IRA Plan is not that kind of company. Gold-IRA-Plan.com is an educational and informational resource that helps you plan the best retirement strategy that, in your golden years, neither you or your loved ones end up with a check for $26.11. Oh, and of course, some Powerball tickets for the sum of your life's finances. You know, the billionaire hedge fund managers don't actually think like you and I do. They don't focus on making money. They focus on not losing money. Warren Buffett, at net worth upwards of $60 million, tells investors the first rule of investing is don't lose money. Ray Dalio's Bridgewater and Associates fund manages upwards of $150 billion in assets. And Tony Robbins' book, Money, Mastering the Game, Tony espouses Ray Dalio's all-weather, all-season approach for diversification of your portfolio to preserve your wealth and protect your legacy. Ray Dalio divides its portfolio up into 6 major sectors, with 15% of his fund's portfolio being invested in physical gold. Now, yes, there are gold stocks, but paper gold has its disadvantages, as companies who have sold gold stock in the past leveraged the gold, didn't actually have the gold, and when shareholders attempted to claim their gold, the companies ultimately went bankrupt, leaving the shareholders with absolutely nothing at all. IRS-approved physical gold can be held in a tax-advantaged self-directed IRA, which can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in compounded interest, even millions, but must be held in the vault, which you have access to, of an IRS-approved Gold IRA trustee or custodian. Gold-IRA-Plan.com can assist you and aid you in your research to discovering how a Gold IRA, otherwise known as a self-directed precious metals IRA or Gold 401k rollover, which can help you preserve your wealth and protect your legacy. We're not financial consultants, advisors, fiduciaries, trustees, or custodians at Gold-IRA-Plan.com. We're a non-bias free informational and educational resource that can help you identify the right Gold IRA trustee or custodian to preserve your wealth and protect your legacy so that you and your family don't end up with $26.11 and some Powerball tickets during your golden years. Come visit the Gold-IRA-Plan.com website now to read about how to preserve your wealth and protect your legacy with an IRS-approved tax-advantaged Gold IRA plan that can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions, for your retirement. It seems like these days everyone is plugged into some form of technology and we simply just forget how great it is to connect with a live person head-to-head. Now, if you're like me and your eyes don't do so well staring at a tiny computer screen, reading small text for several hours, you might prefer to speak with someone directly instead of trying to read everything for yourself the first time. Well, the good folks down at Regal Assets have set up a toll-free number for Gold-IRA-Plan.com readers that will let you talk to the great people at Regal Assets and ask them all the questions you'd like to ask about setting up a Gold IRA, Gold IRA rollover, or Gold 401k rollover. Regal Assets is a top-notch Gold IRA company with an excellent rating from the Better Business Bureau, TrustLink, and Business Consumer Alliance. You can read our review of Regal Assets at Gold-IRA-Plan.com, as well as the numerous reviews from ecstatic clients from the Better Business Bureau, TrustLink, and Business Consumer Alliance. Go ahead, give them a call. They've got a whole room full of people who are there just to talk to you. Give them a call. They're happy to answer all of your questions. The Gold-IRA-Plan.com exclusive readers toll-free number for Regal Assets is 844-402-2177. Again, that's 844-402-2177. And Regal Assets is not the only great Gold IRA company out there. There are some other great ones out there too, but be sure to check them out first, because not all of them are reputable. As a matter of fact, do not invest a penny if you have not spoken to, at length, with at least 3 Gold IRA companies and thoroughly reviewed their customer reviews and ratings. If you visit the Gold-IRA-Plan.com website now, or call the Gold-IRA-Plan.com readers exclusive Regal Assets toll-free number at 844-402-2177, Regal Assets will send you the best Gold IRA, Gold 401k rollover, and Gold IRA rollover investing kit and guide. Now remember, don't get stuck with $26.11 and some Powerball tickets for you and your family when you retire. And don't spend a 1 penny on a Gold IRA until you have spoken to and thoroughly vetted at least 3 reputable Gold IRA companies. Visit the Gold-IRA-Plan.com website now to learn about preserving your wealth and protecting your legacy. A Gold IRA plan that can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions, and compounded interest during your retirement. And to get the best Gold IRA, Gold 401k rollover, and Gold IRA rollover investing guide and kit, by visiting Gold-IRA-Plan.com or by calling the Gold-IRA-Plan.com Readers Exclusive Regal Assets toll-free number at 844-402-2177. Again, that's 844-402-2177. Don't get stuck with $26.11 and some Powerball tickets in your golden years. Preserve your wealth and protect your legacy with a Gold IRA plan. Visit Gold-IRA-Plan.com now or call the Gold-IRA-Plan.com Readers Exclusive Regal Assets toll-free number at 844-402-2177 now. Again, that's 844-402-2177. Preserve your wealth and protect your legacy.